Hi everyone, welcome to Anyone Can Travel. If you're new here, welcome. We do travel vlogs, travel videos, travel tips and guides, and we hope that they are fun and informative. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of our information. And today we're talking about a popular question that doesn't have necessarily a great answer, and that is how to book Airbnbs with your credit card points. Credit card points are awesome to help offset travel expenses, and we personally use the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. We really like it. The annual fee is quite expensive, but there are a lot of benefits that help balance that annual fee out. I'm super excited that if you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card or Chase Sapphire Reserve card, currently you can pay yourself back for your Airbnb stay with points. This means you get the elevated redemption rate of 1.25 or 1.5 cents per point as if you were booking from the travel portal. You have 90 days after your stay to pay yourself back. I find the hotels in the portal lacking in affordability and variety depending on the destination, so I'm excited to be able to use this benefit with Airbnb instead. This was available until March 31st, 2022, but they have extended it to June 30th, 2022. I am hopeful they will continue to extend this offer, but I'll pin a comment if it is no longer available. Besides the Chase Pay Yourself Back with Points promotion that's going on for Airbnb right now, other cards do allow you to pay back or erase travel expenses from your statement. This is really only a good idea though if your points are worth 1 cent to 1 point no matter how you spend them. With Chase, where you have the travel portal where your points are worth more, you would want to use that to book your accommodation or travel to be able to take advantage of that expanded value when you book through the portal. The Capital One Venture Rewards card is a good example of a card that allows you to erase travel expenses from your statement, and then you could use that for Airbnb since it does code as a travel expense. Some other home share apps like VRBO and others don't code as travel, so you would want to double check with your card and how it codes to make sure it is something that you would be able to erase. Some Airbnbs are on online travel agencies, including credit card portals. So if you're looking for a specific Airbnb, you can always check the travel portal just, to see if it's there, or you may find a alternate option that fits your needs. If you're traveling with a large group, a lot of times hotels are not a good option. So there may be some options in the travel portal, whether they're listed on Airbnb or not, that could be good solutions as well that you could book with your points. Some cards, specifically the Chase cards, do allow you to buy gift cards with your points, and they periodically will run different promotions that give your points more value when you're buying specific gift cards. Right now, Airbnb is a 1 point to 1 cent redemption value, so it may not be the best use of your points since you can get more value out of using the travel portal, but sometimes the hotels on the travel portal I find are more expensive than if you were to just book them elsewhere. You can find a better deal on them. So really, it just comes down to, are you feeling like you are getting the best value for your points that way? If you have your heart set on staying in an Airbnb and you need to get a gift card to do that through the Chase portal and use your points, that may be what's best for you. Just think about how you're getting the most value from your points. Finally, one last suggestion to book Airbnb with points. I know that some cards, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card in particular, offers an annual travel credit. It's $300, so your first $300 of travel expenses, Airbnb included, will be erased from your card after your annual fee is paid. And I looked for other cards that have this option. I didn't see any, so if your card offers this, let me know. I'd love to learn a little bit more about that. Otherwise, Chase Sapphire Reserve, that's another potential option for you to book Airbnb with points, sort of. Really, before this Chase Pay Yourself Back with Points promotion where you get the elevated redemption rate, there really aren't that many great options to book Airbnb with points, unfortunately, especially because it's just such a great option for traveling and accommodation, especially internationally. So I hope that some of these options were helpful for you. If you learned something new, share it with a friend. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.